we are now heading towards Deering. I'm assuming this is Deering right here, right?
Yeah.
Well, it said 1 mile. There's the bridge. Little creek. It didn't say what. I think that might be Onion Creek. Alright. I think this is it. The big town of Deering, Kansas. Population 382 as of the 2020 census. Railroad crossing. Yep, there's the sign. Deering city limits. Small town America. Montgomery County. I believe it started in 1888, and there's the post office up here on the left. See that? There's a lot of activity downtown today. Old building here. There's the post office. Deering, Kansas 67340. Look at this old gas station here. Well, let's just go on. Look at this. Alright, so I'm downtown Deering. There's the car wash. I don't know if they're still open, but I don't know if this place is open. Look at this old drive-in. The Deering Drive-In. This Nanny's. Wow, look at that. Seeing less and less of the drive-ins. It's a thing of yesterday. Now look at this. Life is too short to be thirsty. I agree. I think this place might still be open. See, there's some cups there. Yeah. Sunday closed. Old gas station. Now look, this is church. And they are packed. And there's a little coffee shop, diner over there. Isn't that cute? Oh, look at that. That's awesome. The old gas station. Closed. And the post office over there, remember? When we came in. I don't know if they're open or not. That's the fire department right there. Yes. If they closed, it wasn't that long ago. They might just be closed because it's Sunday. I hope they're not closed. Yeah, they probably are. I don't know, that's $2.98. Sounds about right. I just love it so much. I wish they were open. And look at their old bell. Alright, so we're going to go around the corner here. Of course, we're going to check out the town. I want to get a closer look at the post office and the building across the street from it. Turning on a Willow. Oh, that's an old church. Get that, brother. House of something.
House of Prayer.
House of Prayer. building. Is that part of the church? Like an old garage?
Yeah, like a garage to it.
Maybe it was an old house at one time. Let's see the back part of it. Oh, that's for sale. Driving into the sun. Looks like the house is gone. Well, we still have the garage. Kitty cat. Little tabby. That house has seen better days. It's a jungle in these woods. That didn't make any sense. Alright, so we're going right here. What's that say? National Marketing Company. Oh, they have an old gas pump there. Look at their chimney. Oh, wow, what is this? Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that chimney. Wow, that is awesome. Get the chimney, Bob. The chimney on the house. Just
Yeah,
see it?
yeah.
I don't think he's seen it. Wow. That's interesting. Look, it's an old gas station. Nice. White Rose. Oh, nice. And they even have the gas pumps. Oh, they have a hearse. Is it like a Ghostbusters car? Look, get that gas save oil sign. You see that? Right, get the. Wow. That's nice. Wow, look at their barn. It's so cool. Yeah, that's nice. What a nice property. Alright, now look at this little corner house here. Alright, well, I'm going to go around the block because we're going to... That's the old gas station up there. We just went by there. Wow, Darien, Kansas is impressing me. Impressive. Wow, I've never seen a chimney like that. Alright, so this house has seen some better days as well. No trespassing. They have no trespassing signs all over the place. Okay, so this is, I want to pull over up here so we can get a good picture of the post office. Dear, oh, that's the city park across the street. Guess we can go over there. There's the post office. It's so cute. Darien City Park. Alright, well, let's see the city park and then we'll check out the post office. Oh, it's one. Oh, look at that old slide. Well, that church is packed. They're parked way down there. Alright, so we have some old playground equipment. Look at that slide. Let me tell you. And those old merry-go-rounds, there's two of them. There's one to the right there, and that one. very nice. It's very clean, and they even have the neat old swings. I used to try to swing out of it. And on this side, sorry, I had to show it. See all those cars, I believe they're parked for the church there in the back. I'm not sure. Some overgrown, like, is that the park back that way? We're not going to go that way, but I think that could also be the park. There's houses on the side. So we are definitely still in the park, but look at all the cars for the church. A lot of people there. There's the swings, and I want my brother to get that slide. Get that slide. Less and less of those still around. Now, what is that? What's that say?
I can't read it.
You see that little sign?
Yeah, I can't read it. Some park.
Oh, Lloyd Rogers Park? Right. Alright, so we need this. Herb Rogers Park for 27 years of dedicated service to the city of Deering. That deserves to be seen. 27 years is a long time. It's awesome. Thank you, Mr. Rogers. Deering, Kansas. City Park. Alright, so here's the post office, and I'll get a little bit closer to it. And I want to... This old building across the street's really neat. What that was. There's the Deering Post Office. So cute. Alright, so we're going to head back down this way. See what's around this curve up here. A little salvage yard. The road here. Let's just see how far back it goes. We're heading back into town. I just see a water tower. I do want to give my brother thanks for helping with the video. It makes it so much easier when he's in the car. He can get shots while I'm driving. Alright, so we're turning here on Hibbard Road. Right there it is. There's the water tower up there. Look at that guy's property from here. You can see it from here. I love that house. That whole property. Nice. Alright, back to the water tower. The Deering Water Tower. We have, unfortunately, some abandoned houses. A nice one. A lot of property there too. Private property. Well, that's an oldie. There it is, peeking up from the top. The Deering Water Tower. Look at that old tree there. Boy, he got it. Lightning. Try to get the top of it. There we go. Water tower. That old truck. That water tower in the background. Oh, they have pretty flowers. It's empty though. Water tower. Back of that house. We got the front of that. There's some really nice houses here, but also a lot of empty abandoned houses. Flowers here. Oh, that car, that's pretty. Oh, you see how far he jumped? Wow, that dog is like, looked like he was jumping on a trampoline. You see that? Yes. There it is. Rooster. Go ahead and turn right. Isn't that nice? Okay, we're gonna get his chimney again. Look at that. Very unusual. Very, very unusual. Alright. Well, that house right there. There's a house in there. Cute little abandoned house. Oh wow, the whole back end's caved in. Look how cute this house is, and it's empty as well. Well, it looks like it's empty. Oh, look at that cute cat. Hi, kitty. It's cute. Okay, I don't think the house was empty. Alright, but it was so cute. Look at this house. It's so cute. Oh, isn't that nice? Crossing the street. There is a rooster. I hear him cock-a-doodling. I haven't seen just that one church on the main. Two churches. The one that was closed. Oh, that's cute. It looks like it's empty, but boy, that's a cute house. an old car up here. And look at this house here. Oh no! Look at the old car under there. That looks like a Nova or something. Private property. Wow, what happened there? A storm? Wow. Okay, get this old car up here, brother. What kind of car is that? Oh wow, that's so cool. What's it say on there? Can you see it? Nice little town. A lot of old relics. Deering, Kansas. Got it going on. It looks like here on the right there's a bunch of houses missing something. Wow, look at even at that camper over there. It's like, oh, let's see it right here. That. It's like, why even have it? There's nothing in it. Somebody's burning something. I can smell it. Maybe a tornado hit, because look at that. That's not something. That whole area there is down. See, it's a house. Well, maybe it's not a house. Maybe it's just like a little, I don't know what that is. Dump area there. And then you have this really nice manicured lawn right next to it with a beautiful whipping willow in the back. That's nice. And look, there's another little water tower, one of those skinny ones. See it? Back behind that house over there?
Yeah.
Look at this old house. There it is. And that beautiful weeping willow. Now this is Main Street. So Main Street, Deering, Kansas. Let's see what's happened over the years. Well, that tree's dead in the front yard. Still looks majestic. We have a cute windmill here in this yard, 5th Street. Isn't that cute? Nice little wooded area. That goes back pretty far, huh?
Oh, yeah.
cute little red house. Trying to get here. House right there. It's in their backyard. That little water. Oh, there's a dog around it. See it? See the
Yeah, I see it.
down there? Zoom in on the dog. Can you?
Yep.
The dog is around the water tower. Look, look! Now look at that. That's definitely an old school or something. Oh wow, that is so cool. Somebody's living there, it looks like. I can't read what it says on the front. Oh wow, that's so neat. There's a water tower that we were just talking about. It's in these people's backyard. I don't know if you can see it from the trees. There's the top of it. Literally in that house's backyard. I want a water tower in my backyard. So cool. I say private property, but I'm on the street. The water tower. See it? Yeah. Cute house, nice water tower. Alright, we're gonna have to head on out. We have a lot of ground to cover. And it's 10:30. Alright, well, this is where we came in. Woo! There's the other water tower. Just that house is empty. Look at that kitty cat. Is that a cat?
Yeah.
Cross my path, kitty.
There's two cats there.
Where? Oh, there's the. Oh, look how cute. Alright, so we're back on the main road here. We're heading north. This is an old town just from that old building. That was Main Street there. The school's up here on the left, right? Was that where it was? Or auditorium? See, there it is. Yeah, so it's like a second building. Well, that's someone's driveway. I can drive back behind it there. Wow. Alright, well that's Deering, Kansas. Let's see what's on this road here. Okay, so we are at 3900. Okay. Well, that's the end of the town. I wanted to see the back of that school, but it looked like a driveway. Alright, so we're going to head to Jefferson